Namaste children. This poem is for class 9th Andhra Pradesh state syllabus students. The Duck and the Kangaroo by Edward Lear. Said the duck to the kangaroo, "Good gracious, how you hop over the fields and the water too, as if you never would stop. My life is a bore in this nasty pond, and I long to go out in the world beyond. I wish I could hop like you," said the duck to the kangaroo. Let me repeat. Said the duck to the kangaroo, "Good gracious, how you hop o'er the fields and the water too, as if you never would stop. My life is a bore in this nasty pond, and I long to go out in the world beyond. I wish I could hop like you," said the duck to the kangaroo. In the picture, you can see a kangaroo and a duck. Kangaroo is a land animal. It lives on land, and you find kangaroos mostly in Australia. Duck. Duck is an aquatic bird. It maximum we find duck in ponds. So once what happened, maybe this duck watching kangaroo moving from one place to other by hopping. Hop, that means jump. So seeing that, this duck got fascinated. And it wanted to travel along with kangaroo to some distant places. So it requested, the duck said to the kangaroo, "Good gracious." This good gracious is an expression we say whenever we feel very surprised. What for this duck got surprised? How you hop, that means for this kangaroo's hopping, this duck got surprised. Where does a kangaroo hop? Over the fields and the water too. That means the duck says, you hop equally on water and land. And next it says that the kangaroo would hop as if it never stops. That means continuously it hops. Continuously it would be in action. Why did the duck say like this? Because the duck got bored. The duck got bored staying 24 hours in that pond. Though pond is a nice place, the duck doesn't like that pond. Why? Because 24 hours it lives there. So what the duck says? My life is a bore in this nasty pond. And I long means what here? Desire. So the duck says that it desires what? To go out in the world beyond. So beyond this pond there is a wonderful world, and this duck wanted to have a look of that wonderful world. I wish I could hop like you. So I wish means what here? The duck feeling unhappy for not having that skill of hopping. So it said that it is feeling very bad for not having that skill of hopping. So it said in a sad mood to the kangaroo, "Please give me a ride on your back," said the duck to the kangaroo. "I would sit quite still and say nothing but quack the whole of the long day through, and I would go to the Dee and the Jolly Bobbly, or the land and or the sea. Please take me a ride, oh do," said the duck to the kangaroo. Let me repeat. "Please give me a ride on your back," said the duck to the kangaroo. "I would sit quite still and say nothing but quack the whole of the long day through, and I would go to the Dee and the Jelly Bolly, or the land and or the sea. Please take me a ride, ho do," said the duck to the kangaroo. So the duck requests the kangaroo in a very pleasant tone. In a very pleasant tone, duck requests kangaroo to give it a ride on his back. Whose back? On kangaroo's back, said the duck to the kangaroo. And here you can appreciate the quality of the duck. The duck says that it is ready to accept all the conditions the kangaroo may lay on duck in order to give a right to it. So it said, "I would sit quite still." That means the duck agrees that it would never make any noise other than only quack. That is the general noise or voice made by this duck. Only that thing it would do. The whole of the long day throughout the day, it would make only one sound. What is that sound? Quacking sound. And we would go to the Dee and the Jelly Bolly. These are some wonderful places imagined by the poet. And the duck says to give it a ride over the land and over the sea. So both land and sea, it wanted to have a ride. And very respectfully, very politely, duck requests kangaroo to give it a ride. Said the kangaroo to the duck, "This requires some little reflection. Perhaps on the whole it might bring me luck. And there seems but one objection, which is, if you will let me speak so bold, your feet are unpleasantly wet and cold, and would probably give me the rheumatiz," said the kangaroo. Let me repeat. Said the kangaroo to the duck, "This requires some little reflection. Perhaps on the whole it might bring me luck. And there seems but one objection, which is, if you will let me speak so bold, your feet are unpleasantly wet and cold, and would probably give me the rheumatiz," said the kangaroo. So now the kangaroo listened to the request made by the duck, and maybe it felt happy by the way the duck requested it. So the kangaroo said that it requires some little thinking. Reflection means what here? To have a thought. Perhaps on the whole it might bring me luck. That means he said, suppose if I help you by giving you a ride, to have a ride to the beautiful places, maybe it is a very good opportunity for kangaroo to spend some time with a duck. So the kangaroo felt that it brought some luck to it. And there seems but one objection. The kangaroo says that there is one objection. There is some objection. What is that? That is, you see, very courageously I would tell that objection. It is the feet that duck, because it lives 24 hours in water, it is very wet and cold. This the kangaroo didn't like. So it said, suppose if I carry you, then I may catch rheumatism. Rheumatism means what? It is a joint pain disease. I may have that joint pains. So better you please take my advice and do something. If you solve this problem, then it is not a problem for me to carry you to the wonderful places. Like that, kangaroo told to the duck. Said the duck, as I sat on the rocks, I have thought over that completely, and I bought 4 pairs of wasted socks which fit my web feet neatly. And to keep out the cold, I have bought a clock, and every day a cigar I will smoke, all to follow my own dear true love of a kangaroo. Let me repeat. Said the duck, as I sat on the rock, I have thought over that completely, and I bought 4 pairs of wasted socks which fit my web feet neatly. And to keep out the cold, I have bought a clock, and every day a cigar I will smoke, all to follow my dear true love of a kangaroo. Now, the duck says that while sitting on the rocks, the duck has a complete thinking over that issue. What is that issue? To have a ride along with kangaroo as per the kangaroo's demands. Listen here. The duck is ready to bring a change in itself in order to keep its friend kangaroo happy and to work together. Actually, this is needed nowadays in this global competition. This our behavior in the group is very much observed. Understood? You may come from a very rich family. You may born with a silver spoon, but you should get adjusted according to the environment. That quality everybody should have. So this is the main idea of this poem. So the duck says, while sitting on the rocks, it completely had a thinking of this. So what it said, you see, already it purchased 4 pairs of wasted socks in order to keep its web feet neatly and warm. That means no need for the kangaroo to get cold. Not only that, it said that it bought a cloak. Cloak means what? A coat, long coat, in order to keep itself warmer. And not only that, it promised that he would smoke a cigar continuously in order to keep not only itself warmer but also for the kangaroo also. So, in order to work in the society, we should get used to the working conditions. This is very, very important. Thank you for watching the video.